Hey, let's talk about how to use filters when you do a search in EverLogic. Today, I'm going to go to the Parts and Service tab and search parts. Now, you can search by parts using the parameters listed at the top of the screen. I'm just going to click Search, which results in all 720 of the parts that I have in my EverLogic database. I will locate the part Quantity on Hand column and click the Filter button and then select Custom. I will leave All in the Filter Based On field, and then I'm going to choose a greater than option, and I'm going to go with 1, and then I'll click the Add button, and here I'll choose the less than option, and I'm going to go with less than 10. When I click OK, it results to all the parts that fall within the range where I have a quantity on hand of greater than 1 and less than 10.